Hi, this is Terp from Faster at Excel, and today we're going to talk about how to sort data in Excel using shortcuts. Now, the slow way to sort data is to go to the ribbon. I can go to the Home tab, and over here I have some sort options. Or I can go to the Data tab, and over here I have some sort options. But going to the ribbon isn't very efficient. So I'm going to show you 4 types of really fast keyboard shortcuts you can use instead of going to the ribbon. The first 3 use the Alt key, and these are these 3 right here, and the 4th one uses the menu key. They're all fast, and which one you prefer to use, which one you'll like the most, really depends on whether you are the kind of person like me who only likes to put their left hand on the keyboard, because I like keeping my right hand on the mouse, and I'm kind of lazy maybe, or you're the kind of person that prefers having both hands on the keyboard, or you don't care. You're more than happy to put both hands on the keyboard. So it's really a matter of personal preference. After we go through these 3 types of shortcuts, we'll go through some quick related bonus shortcuts at the end. So let's show you how this works. For these Alt shortcuts, you're going to use what are called key tips or keyboard accelerators. Okay, the way it works is if you hit the Alt key, you see all these letters appear on the ribbon, as well as the quick access toolbar. But let's just pay attention to the ribbon right now. These letters are key tips or keyboard accelerators. And if you press one of the letters, you go to the tab that letter is on. So if I wanted to go to the View tab, I would hit W. Okay. If I wanted to go to the Data tab, and I know that there are some sort options there, I hit Alt and then A. And after I hit Alt, I let go of the key and then I press the second key. So you're not pushing the keys at the same time. So I've hit Alt and then A, and then I see that SA stands for sort ascending, SD is for sort descending, and then SS is for the custom sort option. So if I hit SA, I will sort this in ascending order. So let's go over here at the number so it's a little more clear. Alt A and then SA. I sorted it in ascending order. Alt A and then SD for a descending order, SD. And then to get the custom sort dialog box, Alt A SS, the custom dialog box. So these are really fast. I'm only using my left hand. Let me show you how fast they are. I'm not going to slow down. I'm going to do it in real time. So Alt ASA, Alt ASD, Alt ASS. Okay. If you are fine having both hands on the keyboard, then you can use a slightly different option using Alt shortcuts. So you remember that there are sort options on the Home tab as well. They're over here. So of course you can access them using these Alt shortcuts. You can pretty much do anything on the ribbon using these Alt shortcuts. Alt H is for Home because it's on the Home tab. And then over here I see S is for sort. I hit S. And then smallest to largest is S. Largest to smallest is O, and custom sort is U. So here are my shortcuts, Alt HSS, Alt HSO, and Alt HSU. So let's try it out over here. Alt HSS, Alt HSO, Alt HSU. Just as quick as the left-handed shortcuts, same number of characters, pretty much the same speed. Okay. Here's a third way to use these Alt shortcuts, and it's probably the fastest, though you have to make some decisions whether you want to use this method or not. If you remember, when we hit the Alt key, not only did the ribbon have key tips appearing on it, but so did the Quick Access Toolbar. And you can see here, 1, 2, and 3, let's get rid of them for a second. I have my sort icons on my Quick Access Toolbar. So what this means is, I could just hit Alt and then the number 1, and I've sorted in ascending order. Alt 2, sort in descending order, and Alt 3 is the custom sort dialog box. Now, how do you get them onto your quick access toolbar? Well, you just go to the ribbon, you find them, you right click and you say add to quick access toolbar. This is grayed out here because I already added them. Once they're on the quick access toolbar, they'll be put on the right hand side by default. You can change where they occur by clicking customize quick access toolbar, and then you can just change the order here with these little arrows. So I have them on the left. That means that the numbers are 1, 2, and 3, which are easy for my left hand. If I like both hands, I could put these on the right hand side, or I could leave them on the right hand side, because when I hit Alt, you can see that these are right-handed keys, 7, 8, 9, 09, 08, etc. Now, this is very valuable real estate here. If you're going to use this method to create some of your own, basically custom shortcuts, that's what you're doing here. You're creating custom shortcuts. So you need to think carefully about what you want to put up here, but this is an option for you. Okay, the final method for sorting with shortcuts is to use your menu key. The menu key is this little key here that's on the bottom right of your keyboard. Some keyboards don't have it. If yours does not have it, I recommend that you do get one that does have it. What does the menu key do? Well, basically it's the same as right-clicking on your mouse. It brings up the right-click menu or the context menu. It's the same thing, just different names, but it brings up this menu. So if you right-click on your mouse, you'll notice that down here there's a sort option. And then if you hover over it or click on it, you get more sort options. These are the same 3 sorting tasks that we've been performing. Smallest to largest, largest to smallest, and custom sort. So rather than right-clicking with your mouse and then bringing your mouse down here and clicking away and getting what you want, you can just use your menu key and hit what are called hotkeys. So hotkeys are the letters that are underlined on menus like this. So you can see sort has O underlined, so you would hit O to get sort, and then once that is up, then you can hit S, O, or U, because those are the subsequent hotkeys. So let's give it a shot here. We're going to do these 3 shortcuts. MK, which is menu key OS, OO, and OU. So menu key OS, menu key OO, menu key OU. So that's the 4th way to sort your data using shortcuts. If you like both hands on the keyboard, this might work for you. I think these are probably a little bit faster, but it's up to you. So that's it for sorting shortcuts, but let me just give you one group of bonus shortcuts. A lot of times when you're sorting data, you also want to filter it. And that's the filter button right there. You can click that on and off. You can go to the Home tab and do the same thing. You find it here. Okay, I'll turn it off. But there's a great set of shortcuts to use, and that is Alt-A-T to filter and Alt-A-C to clear filter. So Alt-A-T to filter and Alt-A-C will clear out whatever you filtered. So if you want to just filter on positions, for example, and what I have here is the 2015 Philadelphia Phillies team statistics. They were the worst team in baseball, but you can see I'm still a loyal fan anyway. The list now only shows pitchers. To clear it out, I do Alt-AC. I have to be in the sorted area, so Alt-AC, and I've cleared my filters. To get rid of the filters altogether, I just hit Alt-AT again. Alt-AT. So that's it. I hope you found some shortcuts that will make your day go faster, and make sure you visit fasteratexcel.com to learn even more tricks to make you faster at Excel. Thank you.